Hey guys, today we're going to meet a new friend. That is our Gu Zhen.
Gu Zhen is a Chinese plucked zither. It's an integral part of Chinese traditional music and culture. With its melodic tone and versatility, it's one of the most popular traditional musical instruments in China. This is where to sit when you play the Gu Zhen. At your right side, this is the head of the Gu Zhen. In the middle, we have those bridges for 21 strings. At the other side, this is the tail of Gu Zhen.
So basically, this is the 21 strings of Gu Zhen.
To play Gu Zhen, you need your thumb, the index finger, and the middle one. Now you can play the song 一声一声亮晶晶. 2 fingers. I will demonstrate 沧海一声笑 and 高山流水.